Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last super class Mammalia. In mammals, the female nourish their babies with milk produced by the mammary glands. Development of brain and nervous system is the most remarkable character which placed mammals at the top of evolutionary tree. Because of possessing solid and hard bones and being recently evolved forms, fossil record is more continuous and complete. Mammals are believed to be evolved from reptiles. Ancestors of mammals lived simultaneously in Jurassic period and called mammal-like reptile. A fossil animal, Varanope, has been recovered from Texas, has 50% mammalian characters. Ancestors of mammals were of the size of mice, lived on the trees. Mammals became dominant in Cenozoic period. Today we are living in the age of mammal. General characteristics: mammals are warm-blooded, they are air-breathing, they are tetrapod. Locomotion by means of two pairs of pentadactyl limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing. Burrowing वो एनिमल जो डिगिंग करते हैं, ज़मीन खोद के अंदर जाते हैं. Swimming, gliding. Gliding means jumping from one tree to another tree. In aquatic order, hind limbs are absent. For example, whale. They are mostly terrestrial. Body covered with hairs that insulate and maintain the body temperature. Skin glandular. Sweat gland, sebaceous gland, and mammary gland present in the female for milk secretion. Brain is well developed with two large hemispheres, that is left hemisphere and the right hemisphere, and 12 pairs of cranial nerves are present. Sense organ well developed. Eyes are protected by a movable eyelid. Ear has an external opening pinna for the collection of sound waves. Ear have three bones known as malleus, incus and stapes. These are the smallest bone of the body. Sense of smell, taste and touch are well developed. Respiration takes place through lungs. Spongy texture due to the presence of alveoli or air sac. Larynx well developed with the vocal cords. Larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles having alveoli or the air sac. Heart is four-chambered. Auricle and ventricles are present. Only left aortic arch is present. Blood is red because of the presence of hemoglobin. Blood contains non-nucleated RBCs. Excretion by means of kidney. Non-nitrogenous waste are filtered by highly glomerulous kidney, and nitrogenous waste are excreted in the form of urine. Excretory system: kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and the urethra. Internal structure: this cup-shaped structure is known as Bowman's capsule, inside which tuft of capillaries or the cluster of capillaries present known as the glomerulus. The function of glomerulus is filtration. Teeth present in the jaws which have root in the jaw. Canines, incisors, premolar and molar are present in varying number in different mammals. Reproduction: sexes are separate. Sexual dimorphism is present. Testes of mammals of the male mammals lie in the scrotal sac. That is a sac-like structure that is known as the scrotum or the scrotal sac, inside which testes of males are present. The copulatory organ is penis, that is penis, for depositing sperms into the vagina of female, the part of female reproductive tract. Fertilization is internal. Embryo kept inside the female body for the developmental process called gestation. ह्यूमन बीइंग के केस में फीमेल या मदर बॉडी में जो 9 मंथ्स का डेवलपमेंटल पीरियड है, जो मदर बॉडी में फीटस की डेवलपमेंट होती है, वो 9 मंथ पीरियड जो है गेस्टेशन कहलाता है. प्लेसेंटा: mammals are also amniotes. Extraembryonic membranes help in the formation of placenta. Parental care is well developed. Extraembryonic membrane: amnion, chorion, allantois and the yolk sac. This is the embryo. This is the umbilical cord. This is the fetal portion of the placenta. This is the maternal portion of the placenta. By means of this connection, material are transferred.